Okay. Hey guys. This is our halftime show for the week. Medyo one day early because tomorrow I have a meeting. So I'm just going to do this one day early since marami namang gumalaw today and puro down na rin yung stocks since last week. Marami namang notable movers today na worth it pag-usapan. Okay, so kung sa mga new viewers here, this halftime show is all about the winners and losers for the past 2 trading days, usually the past 3 trading days, pero as of now, Tuesday pa lang, we're gonna do the past winners and losers of the Monday and Tuesday. So this is not about stock picks. This is just an update of what happened in the Philippine stock market. So kung medyo hindi kayo nakakasubaybay ng market, I think this will be a good tool for you para to stay updated. And of course, I try my best to explain as much as possible and be transparent to everything that I know sa market. Okay, so we always start with the movers for the day and then ano yung mga losers na gumalaw rin. And we talk about them one by one and those with notable volume only. So if I don't talk about a certain stock that you want, um, I'm sorry, but you can feel free to comment on the comment section para ma-discuss natin. Maybe I can reply to your stock request, okay? So let's get on to it. Let's check out the PSE. Okay, so this is the PSE current up today. Okay, up siya today. Okay, it's up almost 1%. Okay, so we can see this nag-rally in PSE maybe until 7,900, which is the 50-day MA here. So we can see this bounce back here to its previous kung saan siya nanggaling last week. Okay. So let's get on to the I'll just show you the winners and losers here. Top gainers, top losers, but mga stocks na ganito, BMM, yan, ganyan, hindi na natin pag-usapan to because look at the volume. It's traded 19,000, value, OPM, 1,200 traded. So, hindi na natin dinidiscuss yung mga ganyan. Okay? So, nilista ko naman dito yung mga may volume na. Yan. PPG, PXP, MRSGI, PHEN, ALCO, CI. Okay? So, okay. Minimize and then okay. Gaisano retail is up today. Okay, up today with huge volume. I don't know why, but siguro may news sila. Nag-expand sila or opening new. So opening new stores in Metro Manila. So we can, so may news dito pero hindi naman nakasulat dyan. So I heard they're expanding in Manila, and then maybe something's happening. There's a huge volume today. Maybe may nag-cross, but I'm not really sure because hindi ko masyado binabantayan tong stock na to. So it's notable mover siya today, but this stock is currently on a downtrend. Okay, as we can see here. Yeah, okay. Downtrend. But ngayon nasa resistance siya. So let's see what happens tomorrow or in the coming weeks, okay? Okay, up next is PXP. Okay, PXP umakyat today. Umakyat siya today. And then ito yung sinasabi ko, 50-day support. But tumagos siya sa 50-day. But now it's up na siya ulit ng above na ng 10, 20, and 50 days. So medyo may kalakasan. Why? First na nakita ko dito na nag-break yung itong pattern na to, yan. So when it broke this area, 1185, yan yung parang pivot point or buying trigger. So this is interesting to watch. Baka, I think there's a news, sinabi nila China is willing to shoulder the expenses to drill for the exploration. Yan. So now today is up, it's up 5% today. Yan. Hindi ko nabili sa trading cup to, sayang. Okay. So subaybayan natin to. So the reward here is if you buy at 12, it's you can see a 15% gain, 15% 15% upside all the way to the previous resistance, which is 14 pesos. So mas maganda yung bumili now because we're at the near the support level. So we can see more upside when it goes to 14 bucks. Okay. So movers, more movers is PHEN. Gumalaw lang yan, but it can be a bounce. Bakit bounce? Okay? Kasi ang laki ng nahulog dito. Okay? Okay, so the whole time it went down. Okay? It went down 30%. Okay? 30% yan. Dire-diretso lang, pababa. Walang no mercy. Okay, so now 30%, now nag-rally siya ng 14%. Okay? I'm not sure if there's gonna be a stockholders meeting tomorrow about the stock rights offering of this stock, but I think I heard something about that. But so maybe because yun yung reason but nag-rally siya, or maybe it's just a bounce. So this is a bounce play. When you play the bounce, the first target usually will be this one, 10-day MA, and the next one will be the 20-day MA, which it's at 252. So the 229 area na lampasan na natin, next will be 252, the 20-day MA for the rally. I'm gonna upload my bounce plays on the premium members area. It's gonna be a PDF file. First time ko to gagawin. So yung mga premium members, download nyo na on Thursday. Okay, PDF file. I'm gonna upload it on Thursday. Okay. PHEN, and then sumabay rin yung counterpart niya, which is PPG, yung sinasabi ko before. So this one, nag-hold sa 50-day. Boom, 50-day dun sa may 750 area, 770 area. And now it's up almost 20%. Now it's at 940, okay? So ito yung isa sa nahuli ko sa Trading Cup. That's why I'm up today. So parang tinade ko siya 3 times. Binili ko sa may 8, binenta ko sa may 850, binili ko ulit sa may 810, nabenta ko sa may 860, parang ganyan. Tapos kanina hinabol ko sa 9, nabenta ko sa 950. Yun. Anyway, this is the 50-day MA. Boom. And then now it's headed towards near 10 na ngayon. All-time high will be, well, ito pag check natin yung wick, it's gonna be at 13.4, pero pag hindi kasama yung wick, yung body lang, 10.9. So it's up 20% as of the moment. I can see it going to 1050. That's another 14%. But it's up 3 days straight. So maybe a little profit taking kailangan natin dyan. So maybe ganito yung mangyayari dyan. Droop, droop, droop. Okay? So pwede mong ganyan. Or pwede naman bukas, tumuloy rin naman. Isa pa, boom. Diba? Before, ganyan. Pwede rin ganyan. Sana ganun para lahat tayo kumita. So, anything is possible. It can retest the 50-day MA at 8 pesos, or it can go retest the highs at 10.90. Okay. Up next is one mover for today is ALCO. So, parati ko ito sinusubukan to eh. So, talo ko parati sa Trading Cup kasi kala ko support tong 85. So, sinusubukan ko. So, kanina nakabili ako, tapos lumabas yung news na meron silang nag-subscribe ng 12 million shares at 1 peso per share. Yung partner nila, subsidiary, kaya pumutok dito. So, nabenta ko siya doon. And let's see what happens. Baka pwedeng balikan when it comes. Pero yun yung reason niya ba't siya gumalaw today. It's up 4% today. Okay? Yun. SLI, ito, magandang chart to. This is the one of the strongest stock. Grabe to. Okay, so we can see here, nag-breakout siya dito ng what I call the box. This is what I always talk about. There. Consolidation breakout. Boom. 280. Now going to all-time high or 52-week high territory. Ganda ng chart na to. So, any pullback of this going to near 260 will be a buying opportunity for me. So, anong parang pullback do? Parang pullback yung sinasabi mo. Pag kunyari, bumaba yan dito, ganyan, zoom. Near 262 or at least 260 area because that's a breakout point. So the breakout point will always become the support. The previous resistance now becomes support. So that's the parating nangyayari. So I'm hoping that the 260 area will become the support. So I'm waiting for this to pull back. But if it does not pull back, pag tumuloy-tuloy ang bukas, hindi ko na siya mahabol. Okay? Some of the good bounces also that I caught were, ito lang, URC, it's been down for 6 straight days. Boom, down ng 12%. Dire-diretso. So, ang lakas ng bounce. So, this is the bounce that we're talking about. You can see the bounce hitting the first resistance at 10-day and then kanina 20-day. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, nagbabounce yung PHEN. So, yung PHEN, 20-day ng PHEN is at 252. So, parang yung PHEN nandito pa lang ngayon. Wala pa siya dito sa last leg. Okay? So, parang hindi kayo malito. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Oh, this one. Yan, di ba? So, wala pa. Dito pa yung, this one's the 20-day. Dito yung 20-day MA. So, that's 250 pa. So, mayroon pang leeway. Mayroon pang 15 cents to go. If it will bounce that fast. But, anything is possible because ang laki rin ng binaba. From 3 hanggang 210. So, dire-diretso yun. So, it can bounce up, back up to 250. Like what we always say, bounce is parang binato mo yung bola ng sobrang bilis pababa. The harder it falls, the higher it bounces. Okay? So, yun yung gusto natin. 3 hanggang 210. So, yung bounce niya mas mabilis. Okay? We don't want stocks that are going down little by little. Okay? Ano ba yung stocks na going down little by little? Ito yung example. Tech, little by little. Stairs to hell. Hindi, lang. Okay, so ito yung pababa ng pababa. Yun, no? Konti-konti lang. Not the big magnitude drops, but slowly dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. And then, so go down 10 talaga siya. Okay? So now, yan yung example ng mabagal compared to URC. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bilis lang yan. One more stock na bumagsak dyan, Ali. Yan, oh. 1. Bilis. 1, 2, 3. Yan yung mabilis na bagsak. Boom. Down 10% in 3 days. So now it's gonna bounce. The target will be here at the 10-day MA at 47.65. Yan. So, yan. The other one is Pure Gold also. Last week, nakita natin sobrang down. Yan, no? But nakita natin sobrang down to. From 43.89, it went down to 37. 36 pa nga. Yan, no? Okay, that's down 16%. And then, ano nakita natin? Nag-bounce na ngayon. Boom. So, now, nag-bounce siya. Dire-diretso. So, from 38, it's now at going to 40.6. Ito yung 20-day again. This is the 10-day. This is the 20-day. This is the 50-day. So, there are 3 targets for the bounce, which I will explain in my PDF. Okay? Sa website. Medyo excited ako doon because it's one of the first time that I will release a PDF file explaining a detailed step-by-step solution, step-by-step trading guide on how to play the bounce play. Okay. Let's get on, moving on. AGI, top loser. Okay, yan, no? So, nagbabounce siya. Nagtatry siya mag-bounce pero nahihirapan siya. Down na naman today. So, this is very, very, medyo may momentum siya on the downside. That's why it's hard for it to bounce. Mega World also is struggling to find a support. As of now, the support is at here 4.35. Yan, dyan. But ang bagal ng bounce niya because there's a problem because of yung pogo nga, di ba? Okay. SM Prime, yan, umakyat from 34, it's now at 38. So at around Around this area, sinabi nila that yung reclamation property nila dun sa somewhere dun sa may reclamation area in the Rojas ba or something is parang na-approve na. So, okay na ulit yung kasi dati sinabi hindi tuloy. So, that's why ngayon umakyat siya. Okay, boom. Okay, ilan percento? Yun. So, 13% from the low. So, there's always a catalyst. Okay. KPPI, nangyari dito, namatay na to. Okay, so, kala ko magbabounce na dito magbabounce dito sa area na to, pero naging resistance yun. So, ngayon, it's going down. Medyo walang action dito masyado. So, I'll try to avoid this. And it's kind of illiquid. Okay, ito na yung lahat. Ito na yung stock na lahat pinag-uusapan. AXLM, coconuts. Okay, so, we saw yesterday na down siya bigla. Okay, IPO is at $5. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Okay. Ito, $5. $5. So, nag-open siya. Up ka ng 5.6%, 5.8%. So, bumaba. Sabi ko, kasalanan mo na yun if you didn't sell. Umakit na ng 5%, greedy ka, hindi mo binenta, bumagsak na, hindi mo pa rin binenta, down ka na, hindi mo pa rin binenta. So, fault mo na pag talo ka dyan. Okay, anyway, ako, binenta ko sa 480 area, around this area. So, I'm down, I'm down 4%, okay? So nakita natin as of today, medyo nag-recover yung price. So meron dalawang week dito, the ultimate low is at 419 or let's say 419, 420 area. That's the support. Okay, IPO is at 5. Today is at 470 area. Okay, so kung gusto mong bumili dito, 470 area, you can put your cut at 420 area. It's very hard to say because dalawang araw pa lang yung nangyari dito. Pero if you want to trade it nga, you have to cut on the support area which is at 420. So that's medyo malayo yun, around 10%. Okay, so we have to wait and see what happens in the next few days. In general, the rule of thumb is you cannot trade IPOs if it's below the IPO price or because maraming overhang ng shares. So that's why for price action, I can trade this, but for a long-term investor, I'm not sure if this is okay. So I think this is more for trading. If ever umakyat bukas ng 5, pwede mo ibenta yung binili mo sa 470. That will still give you 6%, diba? All the way back to the IPO, pag bumalik ng IPO price. Okay? So that's my only advice. And then we have Nickel Asia. Umakyat siya last Friday. Yeah. Monday, nag-continue. Tapos ngayon, nag-pause. Okay, nagpahinga. Bakit? Well, it's natural to pause because it's up 13%. So, nagkakaroon ng pahinga. So, baka bukas, pwedeng tumuloy. So, tumuloy ito bukas. Boom. So, dapat green. Yan, dapat green. Yan, boom. Pwedeng ganun yan bukas. But the current support now is at 407, 408. Okay? Ito, dito. So, I'll just make it 4 pesos. So, kung gusto mo bumili sa 418, put your stop at 4. Okay? And then, let's see what happens next week. Ayan, may free tip na kayo. Okay, Nickel Asia still in play. And then, its counterpart, FNI also. Siyempre, gagalaw din yung FNI. Yan, ito sumakto sa 50-day. Well, lumampas konti, tapos nag-rally. So, from the 50-day, nag-rally siya ng mga 8%. So, ngayon, mini-mirror lang yung move ng Nickel Asia. So, when Nickel Asia moves, FNI will move. The leader will be always Nickel Asia. So, if you, inuulit ko na naman, if you are trading, if you want to trade the nickel news or Nickel Asia play, nickel play, it is best to trade Nickel Asia because it's more liquid and it has more volume. Oh, same lang yun. It is more liquid and it's the leader. Okay, so over FNI, I will choose Nickel Asia. So, yan. I hope meron pa pala. Top loser for today, none other than Shake Shack. So, this is the support area. Yan. Ito, dalawang support area. So, nagtatry nga rin ako sumalo nito. So, this can be, there might be a bounce play because it's down 14% in the last 5 days. Okay. 14% in the last 5 days. Okay. So, I'm looking for a quick bounce. Just like what happened earlier here. Itong bounce ito. So we can expect this bounce. If it bounces back to 266 area, I'm happy with that. Okay. So, yan. So ito yung top loser for today. Binentahan yung Shake Shack. Tsaka Zara. Magbubukas na nga sa Mega Mall pero down pa rin. Yan. So in this volatile market, you can trade the market, you can trade the PSE with two approaches. One will be range trading. So, and then isa pa will be bounce plays. And then the third one will be my bread and butter, which is the momentum plays, which nangyayari sa Santa Lucia Land, nangyayari sa PPG, nangyayari sa Nickel Asia. So yun. And then we have some bounce plays nangyari sa URC, sa Pure Gold, PHEN, okay? Sana SSI soon. And then we have 50-day ranges sa PXP right now. Okay, so that sums it up for our midweek halftime show. So I hope you guys learned something, picked up something. And then if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys next week. Premium subscriber, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Abangan niyo yung Bounce Play PDF. Okay, so good luck guys for the next 3 trading days. I hope we all make money. God bless you all.